Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of our journey. Now that we have reached to the beautiful town of Alapi near Kochi in the southern part of India, now we're going to begin our journey to the beautiful Kumarakom Lake Resort. So once we got down from the train at the Alapi station, we had a small bus ride to the Kumarakom Lake Resort, and we had no idea of the grand welcome waiting for us there. After we got in the rooms, we hung out by the resort, by the lake, beautiful nature. And then we hung out by the rooms, some beautiful rooms with a swimming pool, and gradually we got ready for the photo shoot.
Half of the frame are these two. Rest of you man. Srini. Are game.
With a lot of permutations and combinations, we were finally able to get a beautiful photo of the entire PDSVISION team and a great photo shoot of all of the members of PDSVISION. After the photo shoot was wrapped up, we then moved on to a beautiful boat ride through the Kumarakom Lake. And honestly, I have never seen nature at its finest, and this was clearly nature at its best.
Hi there.
Hey, Johan. Hey, Chris.
Hey.
Where's the blogger?
I should say hi.
Oh, I'm here. अरे आपको लिया.
A very efficient gentleman told us about the Kumarakom Lake, the surrounding areas, what kind of businesses are run there, how the local fisheries operate, and that was very good to hear. And unfortunately, I missed it, so it's not in the recording.
Hey Sushil, so how's the event going on so far here? Excellent.
It's going great. Yeah, actually, I want to hear from you the feedback in case.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll have that tonight.
Sure, definitely.
He's creating a content for us.
Yeah, I know.
All that's excellent.
So you have a real blog?
Yeah. I have a
real blog?
A real boat?
Real blog?
Yeah, I have a blog. Yeah, I have a blog on YouTube. I don't have much followers. I just started like 2-3 months back after I bought the camera.
Yeah. And then I had to follow you. Then you will have 8.
Absolutely. Alright, so we have the dignitaries over here with us for the event. May, Brian, what is your role in PDSVISION?
Well, I'm a VP operations in Nordics, so
Okay.
so I'm responsible for operations and processes in Nordics mainly. So.
Okay.
That's what I do, and also responsible for the PLM business that we do in the Nordic countries.
Okay, sounds good. All right, thank you for the introduction. Also, we have May, the founders and CEO of Swans. So, yeah. So, May, how's the event working out for you?
Actually, it's a good start.
It's a good start.
Yesterday was a bit long drive, but then
Yeah, it was a long drive.
experience of it.
Yeah, we had some good experiences so far.
And I had a good 2 hours sleep, so
Yeah.
that's important. So,
Absolutely.
I think the next 2 days will be pretty good.
Sounds great. Brian, starting with your travel, how was the travel?
Well, the first part was 37 hours,
Yeah.
and that was before the 10, then 12, then 14 and a half hour train ride.
Yeah.
The hours kept going up, but it's definitely been worth the trip, though.
Sounds
This
great.
is going to be wonderful.
All right, sounds good. Jon, how do you feel the weather change coming from Sweden back in India?
Yeah, it's to the better. It is. We had -2 in Sweden when we left, so yeah, it's improved throughout the journey. So
But this is the weather you like?
yes,
Yeah.
I prefer this.
Yeah.
I do. So that's on the positive side.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and a really good start of the conference. Loved the train ride. It was an experience, and the theme from May is expected, unexpected.
Yeah.
Which we did. The hole in the toilet, we are not used to that. Really it's an experience.
Yeah, it's a new experience.
And it works. Yeah, no problem. The bunk bed was brilliant. A little rough, but
Yeah. It gives you a massage. Like I
yeah,
said.
and my feet could stick out into the corridor. So yeah.
When we were in college, we used to actually stick up hangers of clothes if the legs come out.
Yeah. And it was a party going on down the hall, and no problem. I have 4 kids, so it doesn't go.
Yeah, you used to it. All right, that's great. Hey, so we have Chris over here. Chris, how's been your experience so far?
Coming here,
Yeah?
I am gobsmacked.
Absolutely, that sounds great.
Absolutely gobsmacked.
Yeah, you like the weather over here?
Yeah, I do. It's a big difference. It's 40 degrees warmer here
Warmer
than
here.
where I came from.
Oh, that sounds great. You had a good travel back here, up Kochi?
From Kochi, yes.
Yeah.
It was. So coming from the Nordics, I would say that the traffic here is a mind-elevating experience.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So since you finally got here, it means that the traffic let you here.
Exactly. So it works.
Yeah.
So I'm fine with that. But coming here to this wonderful place, it's truly beautiful place.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
And how was the discussion so far with the guys?
So yeah, I think it's always interesting and a good thing to meet people from other cultures.
Right.
It's easy to think that everything about you is the right thing, but it's not.
Yeah.
There's so many other things, so many other people, so many other ways
Absolutely.
of approaching work, culture, family.
Right.
That's easy to be unaware of. So yeah, for me, it's just a way to grow.
Sounds great. So Chris, what do you think you're going to take away from here this time?
Well, I met you.
Oh yeah.
And I met several of your colleagues. So, so now I expect my list of colleagues in LinkedIn to grow
Yeah.
a lot, and I expect to find a few people that I can kind of hook up with from
Sounds
the
good.
Nordics
Yeah.
and find ways to work through and with, so that we in 1 year's time can have a well-working, profitable and a developing way of working together.
Sounds good.
So that's really my intention with coming here, to find these contacts and to find a way.
All right. Sounds good. Great talking with you, Chris. I hope you have a good time.
Oh, I will certainly have a good time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Without shades.
Now that you have already won, so So Matthias, how's been the experience so far for you? Starting with your travel.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, we had some hiccups in the travel coming into Chennai, but since then it's just been fantastic.
Awesome.
Such a pleasant visit.
You find this, I assume this is your first time in India?
Yes, first time.
So it's been a vastly different experience for you?
It's been fantastic. I was told to expect the unexpected.
Yeah.
And for sure.
And so it is.
Been the case. But
How's the food working out for you?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
My stomach is still happy, so
Yeah.
I'm happy. No,
All
it's
right.
been great. Great food, great people.
Right,
really,
son.
really
Yeah.
nice.
So there's a lot for you to take back home?
Yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
A lot of new people, a lot of new
Yes,
experiences.
it's fantastic to meet everyone.
All right,
Really
sounds
nice.
good. Thank you, Matthias.
Thank you.
Hey, Emmanuel, how are you doing?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Yeah. How was your experience traveling up to here?
I started with Chennai, CA office, so it was like Matthias said, expect the unexpected. It's really interesting there to see the staff there in the office working together. Then we taken a train to to this resort here. It was
one of the most different experiences.
Exactly.
How did you find the bed of the train?
Yeah, it was something new for me.
Only two ways possible, this or there, and a free massage at night by the train.
Yeah.
Shaking all the time.
I have sleep, but not so long.
Oh yeah.
But it was okay. It was a new impression for me. It was nice.
Oh, it sounds good. How did you feel by meeting the new guys over here?
Yeah, it's fantastic to meet all the people, to see them, to talk to them. It's really good. And also this area is fantastic.
All right.
It's really nice.
All right, you like it over here?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have said I've been first time to India, so it will not be the last one.
All right,
So I
sounds
will
good.
come back.
Okay, Emmanuel, I hope you continue enjoying.
Thanks.
बस बहुत फोटो हो गया, मैंने ले रहा